Hey friends, if you encounter the Whea Uncorrectable Error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and click on Check for Updates in the right pane. Search for Command Prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. And lastly, you can perform a system restore. So search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Click on open system restore. Choose a good restore point. Click on next. Choose a good restore point. Next. Finish and then let it run through. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.